Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower. Welcome to the Motel One at Stuttgart-Feuerbach. You know, it's a Motel One, so we are pretty much getting KONE here, just as expected. This hotel has been extended. I have never seen that before on a Motel One. The two original elevators are from 2006, which is nothing out of the ordinary, honestly. But what is out of the ordinary is the fact that one of them only allows 6 passengers in, which is really small for an elevator that has been built in 2006. Quite weird. And now let's head straight to the extension of the building. This one is from 2011, so it's not even that much newer than the rest of the building. There's a single public elevator that we're going to check out right now. Alright, there's one elevator left to check out, and of course it is a service elevator. What a surprise! Well, this one is also situated in the new building extension from 2011, and it is not protected. Well, it does have got a key switch that allows you to lock off the call button, but that didn't use it for whatever reason. Maybe there are not enough keys to distribute among the members of staff here, I don't know. This made it quite easy for me to film it, so here we go.